back to the board. We're going to address the ordinances, and we I don't see any, so let's do the resolutions. We have a resolution whereas the redemption of the tax sale certificate number 10-00004 on block 1702, lot 8, assessed to Morales Florencio, has been made in the office of the tax collector, and it is necessary to reimburse the lien holder. Therefore, be it resolved by the mayor and council of the borough of South Tom's River that a check in the amount of $7,113.56 for the redemption of the lien be issued to Empire Tax on 2 LLC, U.S. Bank Custodian, 50 Liberty Place, TSSG 50 South 60th Street South 1950, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Do you have a motion?
Ross.
Ross and Murray. Councilman Kearney?
Yes.
McCormick?
Yes.
Murray?
Yes.
Ross?
Yes.
Sykes?
Yes.
And Williams?
Yes.
Next is the resolution pertaining to a liquor license. Whereas the borough of South Tom's River has received liquor license renewal application for the year 2011, and whereas the Division of Alcoholic Beverage Control requires all existing licenses to be renewed by the issuing municipality, and whereas the borough of South Tom's River has received a renewal application for a club license in the name of Brown Sweepers Road and Gun Club Co. for the premises known as 213 Magnolia Avenue, trading under the same name, license number 1529-31-004-001, and whereas the borough of South Tom's River held a hearing to renew said license on May 16, 2011, and whereas the borough of South Tom's River received no objection to the renewal application, and whereas the borough of South Tom's River has received the application for renewal and determined it to be in order, now therefore be resolved this 16th day of May 2011 that the applicant's request for a one-year renewal of its previously issued liquor license be and hereby is approved. Do I have a motion?
Ross.
Councilman Kearney?
Yes.
McCormick?
Yes.
Murray?
Yes.
Ross?
Yes.
Sykes?
Yes.
And Williams?
Yes.
And the next one is the same language, but this one pertains to a license in the name of Karen One Inc. for the purposes known as 306 Atlantic City Boulevard, trading under the name of Lucky Spirits, a license number 1529-44-001-005. Do I have a motion?
Ross.
Murray and Ross. Councilman Kearney?
Yes.
McCormick?
Yes.
Murray?
Yes.
Ross?
Yes.
Sykes?
Yes.
And Williams?
Yes.
And the last one pertaining to the resolution for liquor license renewal applications for the year 2011 pertains to the name Stop In Inc. for the premises known as Foot of Crab Road, trading under the name of River Cafe, license number 1529-33-002-006. Do I have a motion?
Ross.
McCormick and Ross. Councilman Kearney?
Yes.
McCormick?
Yes.
Murray?
Yes.
Ross?
Yes.
Sykes?
Yes.
And Williams?
Yes.
Then the next one on the resolutions is opposition to Senate Bill number 1351, which our solicitor would give us some more explanation as to what this pertains.
There's a current Senate bill pending to amend the Open Public Meetings Act. The New Jersey State League of Municipalities opposes the current Senate bill. While there's a couple of things in there which may be advisable, such as it would expand the provisions of the Act to certain bodies and authorities which it currently doesn't cover. It would add an increased cost to municipalities such as South Toms River. It would require more record keeping for even your committee meetings. Would make those subject to the Open Public Meetings Act. It would eliminate the attorney-client privilege as a exception. So if you asked me for legal advice, I couldn't give you. You wouldn't have the same rights as any other as a client would, or as a private corporation would, to get privileged legal advice. Which I don't know why, that really shocked me why that's in there. So it may in fact be appropriately construed as an unfunded mandate to require, to the state to require municipalities to keep these additional records. So I would suspect that the bill should be substantially amended, hopefully. And you know, we already provide public comment at every meeting. There's some bodies that don't have to do that. Municipalities do, but for instance, a lot of other bodies don't, so it would amend, you know, one of the provisions to amend it to require that. You know, for instance, is your land use board going to need to provide open public comment on anything? You know, they already provide public comment about public applications. So, you know, it's not really someone go to a land use board to talk about something that should be before a governing body. So there's a variety of reasons to oppose it, and that's recommended by the League of Municipalities, but obviously the decision how to vote on it belongs to each of you.
Do I have a
Make a motion to oppose it.
I'll second that.
McCormick
Favor the resolution.
and
So we're
Ross.
opposing it?
Yeah, the resolution is to.
Correct.
Resolution
Yes
is to
vote.
oppose.
Right.
the-
Yes, so
Right.
we oppose it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes vote would be to send a resolution to the state opposing.
Okay.
Councilman Kearney,
Yes.
McCormick,
Yes.
Murray,
Yes.
Ross,
Yes.
Sykes,
Yes.
and Williams.
Yes.
The next one is on the bond resolution. This is a resolution authorizing combined sale and issuance of bond anticipation notes in an aggregate amount not to exceed $1,229,179 general improvement bond anticipation notes of the Borough of South Toms River in the County of Ocean, New Jersey. Do I have a motion?
Ross.
McCormick.
Ross and McCormick. Councilman Kearney,
Yes.
McCormick,
Yes.
Murray,
Yes.
Ross,
Yes.
Sykes,
Yes.
and Williams.
Yes.
Could I just, before we go on, can I just make a request that, Steve, did you make up this?
That'd be fine,
Could you just ask him, or somebody ask him to, he should have the column in here showing what the balance is. Yeah, but it should be right here where we can see it.
I think some of it's described there. Right, the second page with the list of this year's stuff talks about the rollover of the different previous ones.
There is a copy on your desks.
Oh, okay. But it would be nice, he's got 3 columns there, to just make another column and put it all on the front page to make it easier to look at, that's all. Not a big deal.
Councilwoman's looking to find loan balance and doing some older projects that
Yeah.
are still being paid down. I did.
Yeah, I wanted to know, and the mayor should know what the balance is on those notes.
A schedule, because I provide him the schedule of all of that.
That's fine, it's not a big deal, it just, it would be nice to just have it all right there.
The next resolution, I just would like to propose that we table that, because it just came in today, and some of our members have concern about it. In the interest of, going hastily into, the consideration of this resolution, I would propose that we table the resolution of the Borough of Council to, for the closure of the Austin Creek Nuclear Plant at this point for the following meeting.
Motion to table,
McCormick.
Ross.
McCormick and Ross.